Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an atom and label its parts. So here you can see that I'm using my compass to draw the atom structure. Okay, here's a big circle. And now in the middle of it, I'm drawing a tiny circle. Another one, another one, one more, one more, and here's the last one. Let's make this two a little bigger. And now I'm drawing a circle here. I'm drawing a straight line, so it will help me to do the alignment. Okay, now I will draw some ovals. I have to draw 3 tiny circles inside it. Okay, and I'm using my blue pen to do the outline. Now I'm using my red pen. For the rest, I'm using gray pen. Now I'm using my blue colored pencil to do a little bit of coloring. Now I'm using my red colored pencil. And now I'm using my pencil. I'm using my black pen to plus minus signs. Let's write its name here, atom structure. The red circles are proton, the gray circles are neutron, and the blue circles are electron. Okay, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.